Welcome, welcome everybody.
Welcome, so great to see you again. Welcome to the beautiful Puerto Rico.
Now on this journey, we're going to see fabulous beaches, fabulous waterfalls, fabulous scenery, great people. Can't wait.
Great place to be. Tres Palmas, Marina, just outside of Rincon. It's one of Rincon's famous beaches. There's actually a lot more than 3 palms here. Absolutely gorgeous. You can swim, there's boat ramps, you can snorkel. Have a good time. The center of Rincon. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? We have made our way to Domes Beach. You'll find it because there's a huge dome that, rumor has it, maybe with some kind of reactor. We don't know. Everything's good and safe now. This is up the road from the lighthouse. It's a real surfer beach, but gorgeous out here. Have fun. Another great place to stop while you're in the Rincon area is at this lighthouse. There's a beautiful park up there, lots to see. We are at Wishing Well Beach, officially known as Pena Blanca. Now this is an Aguadilla, just up the road from Crash Boat. Looks gorgeous. Locals like to hang out there. Let's go check it out.
beautiful beach. You can see this beautiful water on there. It's a little high tide today, so there's not much beach out here, but it is absolutely warm water, nice white sands below your feet. We're seeing some sea turtles. Everything's great, and check this place out. It's just north of Crash Boat in Agua. Now, down here in Rincon, though, it is more relaxed. San Juan's more your nightlife. San Juan's more your partying. San Juan's more your shopping. But down here,
don't get us wrong. They like to party everywhere in Puerto Rico. Okay?
Yes, yes.
But there are some that are a little bit more active about doing it than others.
Yeah. I would definitely recommend for the family, the west side of the island. It's worth the drive, 3-hour drive. And then also what I would add though is if your flight is coming in late, I'd recommend just getting a good hotel. We'll go ahead and put it up in the link for a great hotel that's close to the airport, and then head out. It's about 3 hours from San Juan, maybe 4, 5, because you're gonna be starstruck.
Guys, don't push yourself. It's just not worth it.
No.
Get a place, enjoy, and then you'll enjoy the rest of your trip.
Right.
It makes a huge difference.
Absolutely. And one tip we want to give you before this beautiful sunset goes down, oh, you can see her in the background, is try not to drive around Puerto Rico in late night.
Oh, no.
If you've not been to Puerto Rico, if you're not a native of Puerto Rico, there is a thing that with the red lights, they shut down at a certain time and it's legal to run red lights. I don't know, and I'm not getting into it, but you know.
They don't shut down. They just, anytime after midnight, they don't stop for red lights. They run right through them, and it's okay. But keep in mind, any other time of the day, there are huge fines for running yellow and red.
Puerto Rico, the west side, and we have more travel tips, so and rental cars and everything else coming up. But for now, we're gonna just enjoy this beautiful sunset in the Puerto Rico.
Gracias. Buenas noches.
Gracias.